Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Corner Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Richard. Thanks for joining us today. How are you feeling today, Sarah?
Honestly, a little tired, but also really happy to be here. And that's perfect for today's topic. We're talking all about feelings and emotions in English.
Yes. Feelings are such a big part of everyday conversation. If you're learning English, being able to express how you feel is a major step towards sounding natural and confident.
Couldn't agree more. And before we get into it, just a quick reminder. If you enjoy this podcast, hit follow, leave a comment, and share it with someone who's learning English too. It helps a lot. So let's start with this question. Why is it even important to talk about how we feel?
Because bottling up emotions doesn't help. Talking about our feelings helps with our mental health and builds stronger relationships.
Right. Like when I say, I'm feeling overwhelmed, it opens the door for someone to understand me better or even help.
And that creates connection, like a little bridge between two people.
I love that. A bridge made of words.
Let's go over some simple emotion words that every learner should know.
Okay. First up, happy. Like, I'm feeling happy right now because we're recording this podcast.
Same here. Then there's sad, like when your favorite cafe closes down.
Oh, yes. Or when your dog gives you that don't leave me face when you go out.
Next, angry. That one's strong. Like missing your train because it left early.
I'd definitely be annoyed. And then there's tired. I think a lot of us feel this one after a long day.
Or after binge watching too many episodes at night. Guilty.
How about excited? Like waiting for your birthday party.
Or starting a new job or school. That buzzing feeling in your chest.
And let's not forget nervous, like recording your first ever podcast episode.
That was definitely me. But now, feeling confident.
Let's clarify something important. When do we say I feel happy versus I am happy?
Both are okay. I feel sad and I am sad mean the same. Feel sounds a bit more emotional, though.
Yes, so don't worry too much. Just use one and go with it. Let's level up a bit. Ever felt frustrated?
Oh, all the time. Like when you try to fix something and it just won't work.
Or putting furniture together? The struggle is real.
Here's one. Overwhelmed. Like when everything's due at once work, school, life.
Too real. And anxious is like being nervous, but deeper. Like waiting for test results.
Yup. And proud is one I love. Like when your student finally nails their pronunciation.
Or when you finally finish a project you've been working on forever.
What about lonely? That's a tough one. Even in a crowd, you can feel it.
Yeah. That's why it's important to check in on people.
Then there's confident. That feeling when you know you've got this.
Yes. And finally, disappointed. Like when your weekend plans get canceled.
You can also add words to show intensity, like a bit sad or really sad.
Or I'm a little nervous versus I'm extremely anxious. It helps paint a clearer picture.
Like turning up the volume on your feelings.
Let's share some fun idioms now. First up, on cloud nine. What does that mean?
Super happy, like floating. I got the job. I'm on cloud nine.
Next, feeling under the weather. That means you feel a bit sick.
Exactly. I think I caught a cold. I'm feeling under the weather today.
Then, walking on eggshells. That means you're being careful not to upset someone.
Right, like if your roommate's in a bad mood and you're trying not to say the wrong thing.
And it broke my heart. That's deep sadness.
Like when your favorite character dies in a movie. Yep, been there.
Let's practice how to ask about someone's feelings. Besides, how are you? We can say,
How are you really feeling? Or is something on your mind?
I like that. It's gentle. And if someone opens up, how do we respond?
You can say, I understand how you feel, or that must be really hard.
Or simply, I'm here for you. Those words matter more than we think.
Let's do a quick role play. Let's say you've had a stressful day. What do you say?
Hmm, I'm feeling overwhelmed today. There's just too much to do. You?
I'm feeling a bit frustrated. My computer froze during a meeting.
Now something happier. Before a vacation?
I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this break forever.
Love it. What about feeling sad after a breakup?
That broke my heart. Simple and honest.
Talking about feelings at work can be tricky, but it's important.
You can say, I'm feeling burned out, or I need a mental break.
And culturally, expressing feelings is viewed differently. In English-speaking cultures, it's often encouraged.
Yes, being open can actually build trust. So learning this in English also teaches you about connection.
Before we wrap up, let's share a couple of tips.
First, keep a feelings journal. Write one sentence a day about how you feel. Write things like, today I feel proud because I helped my friend.
Second, describe your day using emotional language. Today was a bit stressful, but I felt proud at the end.
Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. It's totally okay to make mistakes. Every try is a step forward.
Thank you for spending time with us today. You're doing amazing, and we're proud of you for learning something so meaningful.
Keep expressing yourself and growing in English, emotionally and fluently.
Until next time, take care and keep practicing.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.